Hello Eastview students, we are creating our animation for Flipgrid. So we're showing off just the Space Invaders and your final. We're not doing any of the Brush Ninja stuff, so just those two. You can set up your stuff ahead of time so it's ready to go. So I would go to my first frame. Now notice it's on my final frame here. I've already scrolled down, so I'm ready to record. So I would just hit the record button once I'm ready. In bold are the things I need to show. I need to show my last frame, and then I need to show the full animation play 2 times. Keep in mind, the animation, like for this one, is what, 4 or 5 seconds? So you're looking at maybe between the two about 10 seconds. You introduce yourself. I'll add that in as well. And then you're going to do the same thing for your last one. So I would show my, start my recordings. Hey, this is Mr. Goliath. I had 17 frames for my first animation for Space Invaders. Here is the full animation. And again, I'd let this run through 2 times. I would pause my recording and then get ready for my second one. Hit record again, say, here is the final frame. I did 39 frames on this one. And then you'd want to expand it, but you don't want to expand it this way. You should already have yours open when you open up your Piskel app, and then you let it run through 2 times. That's all we're doing on these, but I want to see it like this one where I can tell this says new Piskel by, and it shows my name, and that way we know exactly who did the work. So that's it. Those are the directions for the Piskel apps. And I'm looking forward to seeing your Flipgrids. Remember, there's directions how to use Flipgrid. If you forgot how to use that, just go to the essential tools on our Google Classroom. Good luck.